This is Dr. Ramchandramurthy. As we discussed in the last class, the knowledge organization, continuation of that under the library classification, under Inspire of India Academy, we are going to discuss about the library classification, the subtopic. You see, modes of formation of subjects, modes of formation of subjects, modes of formation of subjects. Today's world is information world. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, the world is busy with something, some activities, some information. Now we can say information world. Information world. Information is wealth present days. That's why today's world is the information world. Do you agree? Yes. Information world. All researchers are depending on information. Like that, librarian has to learn as a part the changes of subjects, information knowledge. So the information is growing day to day, developing, the knowledge is outcoming. So as per the knowledge, as per the talents, the information is day to day growing. All the researchers required information and depending information. Is it, all the researchers who are going to do the research to find something new, they required the information. As like that, the librarian has to learn as part the changes of the subjects. As per the changes of the subject, changes of the knowledge, new subjects are coming. We have to know about that information. We have to know about the subjects, and the information knowledge is required. As per the changes of the subjects, knowledge, information, the librarian has to change. Is it no? The librarian has to learn more and more the subject, the knowledge about the information. Then new subjects are beginning formed in the universe of subjects. In the universe, number of subjects are there. Number of subjects are universe is a full of knowledge, full of subjects. How you know the subjects? That's why we are studying about the modes of formation of the subjects. Okay, new subjects are introducing, new subjects are getting birth, forming in the universe of the subjects with different model of formation of subject, creating new subjects with different models, different styles, different methods, different concepts. So where each mode has distinct application on the design and development of schemes of classification. So for that, how to the subjects are developing, creating, generating based on certain implications, design and development of schemes of classification. So for that, we are going to discuss about deeply how the modes of formation of the subjects are creating. The next is here Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. He is the father of librarian. He is known as father of librarian. Now, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, Shiali Ramamruta Ranganathan, made a great initiation the models of information of subjects in particular year 1950. It is very important thing in the examination point of view. S.R. Ranganathan initiated and developed the models of the formation of the subjects in which year? 1950. And as per his initiation, the first postulated 4 modes, later recognized following types of models of formation of the subjects. So first he propounded four models of the subjects, and expanded after the four model of the subjects. Okay, as follows, like this. The first one, please remember, very important concept. We may expect 3 or more questions. Okay, 3 or 4 marks we expected from this. That's why listen carefully. It is most important topic out of the library science syllabus. Okay, the first one is fission. Please remember, Fission, fission. First one is fission. Fission is the process of division of subjects smaller piece. Okay, here process of division, divide. Okay, divide pieces. Okay, of the subjects into smaller piece. How we get the smaller piece, we will discuss. The into smaller pieces, the basic subjects gets fissioned, split into subdivision. Split means number of pieces. It will come by one major pieces to number of pieces are coming. Now subdivision, split into subdivision, smaller pieces. So there is increasing. Remember, there is increasing intention and decreasing extension. Please remember these words: increasing intention and decreasing extension. Please remember, increasing intention, decreasing extension of subjects into specialized fields. Okay, how we observe, how we understand about the fission. Here, certain example of here, economic subject. Economic subject is having a number of subjects, number of topics, is it no? Split into different subjects. A major subject split into different subject. How? Economic subject, labor economics, monetary aspects it can be studied, money and banking. Simply we can say it is economics, money and banking. Okay, so split, the economics is a major subject, split into different topics, smaller pieces. It is called fission. Okay, the subject, the question will come, where increasing intention, decreasing extension of the subject is A, fission, B, fusion, C, denudation, D, none of the above. At the time you have to tick them. Fission is the correct answer. Remember, there is increasing intention and decreasing extension of the subjects into specialized field. Fission. This is the definition of the fission. Okay, then coming to next example, like this, there is a major subject, okay, physics. So there are splitting number of aspects, number of subjects, number of contents. Now heat, sound, light, missions. These are the part of the physics subject. The physics subject is split into number of aspects. This is called fission. This is called fission. One subject is going to divide into different parts. This is called fission. Okay, coming to the next concept after fission, the second one is dissection. The second modes of formation of subject is here dissection. D-I-S-S-E-C-T-I-O-N. Dissection is a process to cut a universe of entries. Into parts of a coordinate status in this mode and isolate or a basic subject. gets fissioned or split into parts of a coordinate status. Similarly, universe is divided into different pieces. Universe is divided into different pieces. Similarly, all the modes of subjects are confusing to us, but a slight difference is there. All are split into pieces, but here universe split into number of pieces, number of subjects. Now, for example, world, the universe, world having Asia, Africa, Australia, America, Europe, Australia, like that. Okay, continents are there. So this is example under the dissection. Under the dissection, universe of entries. You see, universe of entries into parts. What is that? Dissection. Universe of entries into parts of a coordinate status. It is called dissection. World is divided into different pieces, split into different parts and parts coordinates status. This is called dissection. Is there any some of other example? The libraries are divided into different parts. Is it no? Libraries, public library, academic library, special library. Public library, academic library, special library. Okay, and also undercoming academic library, school library, and college library, a university library. So first, the libraries is a main theme, main basic subject, and split into different parts: public library, academic library, special library. And there are different types of the academic library: school library, college library, university library. So this is the example under the dissection. Example under the dissection. Then coming to the third one, denudation. Denudation, denudation, denudation. Now, according to the denudation, the term is used to denote fission. Already we discussed fission. Fission when subject is split up in chain types of relationship. Simply you remember chain type relationship. Chain type relation. Please remember the keywords to identify the answer. Please remember the keywords. Chain type relationship. The mode of formation is denudation. Okay, denudation. Like here, the classes are subdivision and extension of class decreased and intention is increased. Now, here extension decreased, intention increased. Remember this one: extension decreased, intention increased. What was that? Denudation. Extension of class decreased and intention is increased. What was that? The modes of formation of subject, denudation. So if you see a onion, over the onion the number of layers are there. That is called here denudation. Okay. Now if you see Asia, Asia is our continent. So under that, what is our place? To find out that, we can follow denudation: Asia, India. Okay, under the Asia, India is one of the country. So India, after that Telangana. Okay, after that Warangal. So after that Hanamakonda. Then where we are? Okay, Hanamakonda. Like that we identify the delineation. Delineation like onion. If you or
ప్రభుత్వ ఉద్యోగమే మీ లక్ష్యమా? గ్రూప్స్, ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్, గురుకుల్, లైబ్రేరియన్, డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్, జేఎల్ఎం, ఏపీపీఎస్సి, టీఎస్పీఎస్సి, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఎన్టీపీసీలలో ఖచ్చితంగా ఉద్యోగం సాధించాలని అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఒక్కసారి విచ్చేయండి. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ స్థాపించిన మొదటి సంవత్సరంలోనే అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలతో ఉద్యోగాలను అందించిన ఏకైక సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ప్రతి విద్యార్థిపై ప్రత్యేక శ్రద్ధ వహిస్తూ ఉద్యోగ లక్ష్యమే ధ్యేయంగా ఎంచుకొని అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే అతి సులభమైన రీతిలో వివరాత్మకమైన విశ్లేషణతో డైలీ, వీక్లీ గ్రాండ్ టెస్టులు నిర్వహిస్తూ విజయాలను అందిస్తున్న సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్ అభ్యర్థుల కోసం ఫిజికల్ తో పాటు ప్రత్యేక శిక్షణా తరగతులు, ఆన్లైన్ మరియు ఆఫ్లైన్ తరగతుల సదుపాయం కలదు. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ యాప్ గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్ యందు కలదు. ఆఫ్లైన్ కోర్స్ తీసుకున్న వారికి ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ ఉచితంగా లభించును. ఇప్పుడే రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వడం కోసం సంప్రదించండి 6309398306. డైరెక్టర్ Prashant Verma, Inspire India Academy.
From the onion, the number of layers, if you remove the layers, automatically you will get the last destination point, Hanamukonda. Similarly, T is letter for education. T indicate under this is education. Okay, T3 adult education. Okay, T31 literature. Like that you go. Children's literature, poems, like that it will come. Okay, again divide into last end of the part. Okay, destination. Okay, now here the Asia number is indicating 4 as per the DDC. Then 44 indicating India. Then 44 and 55 is indicating here Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now next, okay, this one is 44, 55 is the indicating about the state of India, Madhya Pradesh particularly, Madhya Pradesh state. So like that we divide Madhya Pradesh, after that place, then particular place will come. So it is called denudation. It is called denudation. Then next one is lamination. The fourth one is lamination. 9 aspects are there. The fourth one, lamination. 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 So what was the lamination? Now when a subject has more than directions or isolations, it is called subjects. Okay, it is called lamination. So here when subject has more than one direction, more than different direction, how it is called? Now library science. Library science is a basic subject. Library science is a basic subject. Now college library. College is what is there? Management is there. Now you see management of college is college library. Management of college library. Management of college library. Now management and library, college library, we are combining. Okay, under the library science subject. Management and college library, we are combining as a library, college, management of college library. So here more than direction or isolations. Now agriculture of corn. There were 2 basic subjects. Agriculture is one subject, corn is one subject. We are combining that and automatically it will come as a compound subject. Agriculture of corn. 2 subjects are there and we combined, that is called here lamination. Okay, curriculum of university education. Okay, curriculum of university education. Okay, university education and curriculum, 2 aspects are there and it is called lamination. Women and rural women. The woman is one subject, rural is one subject. Rural women. Urban is one subject, woman is one subject. We are combining. This is called the lamination. Okay, 2 or more subject, that the subject is having more than direction, so it is called lamination. And the subjects, two or more subjects, two or more isolations formed together, that is process. The process is called lamination. Rural women, two aspects combined. Rural women, we are going to study about the rural women. This is called lamination. Okay, over of the fourth concept. Then coming to the loose assemblage. Okay, it is similar to lamination, loose assemblage. Now, very important concept. Now, it is the process linking. It is a process linking together different classes. This is achieved by the process of assembling together of two or more basic subject. Previously two subjects, here two or more basic subject. If you added loose assemblage, and there is a process and combined, the thing is called compound subject. It is used to show relative of a subject with another subject or its subdivision subjects. It is called loose assemblage. Simply remember, two or more basic subjects are compound subjects. Two or more basic subjects added are compound subjects. It is called loose assemblage. Simply it is a process linking together different classes. Linking together different classes. It is called loose assemblage. Now, there are different relations to create compound subjects. There are some relations. 6 types of relations are available: general, bias, comparison, difference, influences, tool. Again, I am reading: general, bias, general G, bias B, comparison C, difference D, I, influence, T, tool. Okay, these are the important relations which we use, apply into the different subjects and create the compound subject. Now, general is for a relation between the two subjects. Okay, relation between the two subjects. It can be express the information, it can be denoted that information G for a relation between two subjects or more than two also. Okay, then bias is towards two subjects. Towards, please you remember, towards. Okay, simply assemblage. If there is a word towards, simply you can choose the loose assemblage. Then comparison, comparing between two subjects. It is also loose assemblage. Difference between two subjects. Okay, comparison, relation, and difference between. Okay, difference between CC and DDC, like that. Okay, difference between library science, management science, like that will come. Okay, influence. Okay, diseases influence on human being. Okay, the particular library science influence on librarian. Okay, like that. The influence of, application of subject, some different subject. Application of, influence of, difference between, compared with, towards, relation between. These words you have to remember and you will get 1 mark under the loose assemblage. Okay.